Hi guys, welcome to Grudy's here. Show you what I've been doing today. E21 bow come in. This sat way too close to the extractors for way too long. All burnt. I haven't got any corded rubber that I can cut and use. I tried to pull an E31 apart with a cup so as I could put a cover on it. Instead, I thought, well, might as well use a new lathe and wait, let's see if we can get a better, there we go. And let's mill up a brand new coupling. Look, you can bolt top to bottom, a couple of washers. What it does is it puts it out of, what's that, 90 degrees out of phasing. This way it doesn't give a little bit of a slow fast on the steering. So I just put it back the way it was. Nice. Come up good.